Wrote infographic just in a step-by-step PowerPoint. See the rest of this video. For first step, insert a rectangle. Then go to the shape options and add this shape, arc shape. Draw it as same as you see in this video. Rotate it. Put it in on your rectangle. Then duplicate this rectangle and put it here. Duplicate the arc shape and rotate it. Put it in your second rectangle. Select all these shapes. Go to the shape format, merge shape, and select union. Then go to the shape field and select this gray field. Go to the shape outline and select black color. In shape outline in more, change the width of this outline. Lines. For this, select the line shape and draw it in the middle of your shape. Put it in the middle. Shape outline and select white color. Then select dash. Select long dashes. And in more, I change the width of this lines and put it in the 1.5. It's a good size for these lines. Then go to the shape and select this line arc lines. Draw it. Change it width and color. Put it in the dash type. This line and put it in all of your lines. Creating shapes and numbers, we need circle. I draw a circle by Shift key and put it here. Then add another circle and put it in the middle of this shape. Select both of them and align center and align middle. Select the bigger circle and change its color. I choose this color and put the outline and no outline. Also, for better color, you can use gradient fill. Stop gradient color in these positions. Choose another circle and put the color in white without no outline. Now add text and put the number, and it's time for make them bigger. Put them in the middle and change the text color. Make copy of these shapes and circle as many as times that you want. And change their color and numbers. Add black here. Duplicate it and rotate it. For making it more attractive, use this triangle and draw it as same as you see in this video. Them group and change their color and then select it. And also you can use these arcs out of your route. Duplicate them. Put it out of your route, change its color, for example, to yellow and change the dash type and minimize it. Arrow type for the end of your arcs. For this, click on this, go to the format shapes and change the begin arrow type or end arrow type to the type that you want. Needs your text. For this, I copied this circle and text and change its color. And now add your text, your title. Change the size and put the color to the color that you choose for this circle. And then add your text below your title. Put it in the color that you want, and I choose this color. Do it for all your numbers. The step is adding animation to your roadmap. For this, we need shapes. Add rectangle shapes and draw it as same as you see in your video. Draw this rectangle up to here and change the color of your background. I select this, put the shape fill in white and shape outline in no outline. Draw these rectangles and put it in whole of your road infographic. Okay, in this step, we need animation. Which animation? Go to the tab Animation and select More and go to the Exit Animation and choose Wipe. And change the effect option from left. Go to the animation pane and play it and see what's happened. Yes, it's the correct way to add animation in your road infographic. For next, select your rectangle, go to the Exit, Animation, choose Wipe, and effect option, put it from top. Play it again. And do it for all your rectangles. Select all these animation and choose Start After Previous. But select the first one and choose it to start on click. In this animation, start with your first click. Let's play it. Okay, it's the animation for our infographic, but numbers and this titles needs animation too. So go to the animation. So go to the home and select pane. Select these rectangles and hidden. Make them hidden. Select your shapes and go to animation and choose zoom animation. And then select these triangle groups and choose fly in and from left. Go to animation pane and see what's happened. Or also you can add another animation that you want, maybe fade animation or any animation that you want. Do it for other numbers. As you know, we need same animation for other numbers. So select your first shapes. You go to Animation Painter and click on this, and then go to a number that you want and select it. Your second number have the same animation. Do it for others. Select the second one. Go to Animation Painter and then select the third number. Select this Animation Painter and select the fourth number. Animation Painter. Text needs animation too. Select all of them and make them group. And add animation that you want. I choose zoom animation for this again. After showing this number, I want this text play too. So put this animation after this animation with previous. Okay, play it. Okay, do it for other again. Unhidden this rectangle. By your click, Your road infographic starts and numbers and shapes show themselves. Don't forget, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you a lot.